this is my everyday makeup routine. First things first, it all starts with primer and glow. This one by L'Oreal Paris is actually new. It's called Glotion and it's a natural glow enhancer. You can pop it on just the areas that need it, but I like to do an all over glow. It provides a really good base and setting for every product that goes on after. And I actually find I can use probably less concealer and less foundation because I just feel super glowy and hydrated. A little goes a long way. You can actually use this over your makeup as well if you want to just highlight the high points. So I always love to just hide. I've got a little bit of hyperpigmentation here and I just love to go onto my eyes as well, and any redness just cover with a bit of concealer. I find you can use your fingertips for concealer. It warms up the product really well. Foundation wise, I've always gone for a liquid, but recently I've started using this Charlotte Tilbury one. It's actually their Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint. I've always thought stick foundations were super heavy, but this one has converted me. And just pop it in the areas that need it. You tend to not need as much foundation all the way around the outside, so just focus on the center and then we can work our way out. I think everyone has a favorite foundation brush, or one that just is their go-to and they use every day. This one I actually got years ago. It's by IT Cosmetics and it's got your foundation at one end and a little concealer touch-up brush at the other end. So I find it's just really fluffy and kind of foolproof. No matter what consistency of foundation you're using, this one just seems to buff it out really beautifully. Again, starting on the nose and working out, and I like to just kind of buff or even do tiny little circular motions rather than sweeping. I think it gives a nicer, more hydrated finish. I've got a tiny bit of redness here, so I might just go in again with my trusty concealer. This one's by Glam, it's a terracotta concealer. I'll use the other side of this and just dab that on. I love a blush and highlighter duo. They're really great for travel. Chanel always does a really good one every season. This one is by Chanel. It's the Jardin Imaginaire. It's in gold and peach. Conveniently, it comes with a little brush. Otherwise, you might have your go-to blush brush. Mine that's been in my kit for 100 years is this Zoeva one. It's a Luxe Sheer Cheek. You can see it's very well used. I love it. I use it for creams and for powders. So just sweep. I've been applying my blush in a different spot. So I used to go quite wide here, but now I'm going more in the apples of the cheeks. I just feel it's feeling a bit more youthful. So I'm gonna go in quite close here. Find with any color products, it's always better to build, and then you get your desired color. This is a powder highlighter, and you can always use a great little fanning highlighter brush, but I just also love to use my fingertips. I'll just sweep a little bit, pop it on the cheeks, a little tiny dot at the end of the nose, Cupid's bow. I also love to just put a tiny bit right in the center of my eye. For daily eyeshadow, I love to just sweep a more neutral shade all over the eyelid. So it's like it's creating this really beautiful kind of diffused base without it looking like you've got an eyeshadow look. I'm loving this palette by Givenchy. It's actually the Lanine de Givenchy multi-finish eyeshadow palette, and this is the shade 909. What I love about it, it's got a combo of metallic and matte shades. I'm going in with this kind of taupey brown color. Just pop a tiny bit on your brush. So you're gonna go in with these kind of really circular motions. We just want it all the way up. There's gonna be no defined lines here. And if you have quite a defined crease as well, just make sure you're working it up and you're not kind of getting that half moon shape in the crease. We just want it to be like a diffused color all over the lid. I love this brush because it's super fluffy. This one's by Morphe and it was a collaboration with Aria. Next up, my non-negotiable everyday beauty product is mascara. What I found with the newest mascaras, they often have kind of built-in skincare benefits. This one's by Rimmel. It's called the Wonder Bond Bonding Serum Mascara. So it's super hydrating. It won't get crunchy throughout the day. You can go on with as many coats as you like. I'm all about the silicone wand. For every day, it's all about just a nice slick of color. What you're looking to do as well is just do a mini zigzag at the base and then reach up to the roots. Do not worry if you get some on your eyelid, just wait 5 or 10 minutes until it's set and you can just flick them off with a cotton bud. One tip I learned from one of my favorite makeup artists is to always have a clean spoolie in your makeup kit so that you can tidy up any clumps, or it's also really great for getting those bits that you've got on your eyelids. So just go in and it just really helps to fan out those lashes. Just give your bottom lashes a little freshen up with the spoolie, and it might have some leftover product on it, so you're just kind of coating those. Sometimes I feel like not putting mascara on the bottom just gives it a really modern look. Even if I'm not wearing makeup during the day, I always find I'll just give my brows a tidy up. They're like the finishing touch. You just feel a bit more done if your brows are done. This pencil I love because it's super thin. Like, look at that. It's like a tiny little tip. This one's by Merit. These guys are new to Australia and it's called Brow 1990, and I'm using the light brown. So just go in and brush up. You just want to do tiny little brush strokes, half the length of the actual hairs that are there, and that means you don't build it up too much too quickly. So just start ever so slightly, just filling in those little gaps. Just finish off that little tail and just give it a bit more length, and always brushing as you go. So a brow gel is non-negotiable. Anastasia Beverly Hills, she's the queen of brows, so she does the best brow gel. What I love about this one, the brush. A lot of brow gels have the really thick bristle brush. This one's like a mascara wand, and it just picks up all those tiny hairs and pops them into place. Brush it up. This still gives that fluffy brow a really natural look, but it holds them. Grab one of your brushes, doesn't matter which one, and just sweep along the top, and it just stops you getting all those kind of hairs that stick up. Okay, lips. Even for an everyday look, I love a lip liner. Super quick, super easy. This one's, you can tell it's rather well loved. It's by Kylie Jenner. Kylie Cosmetics. It's the Precise Pout Lip Liner in Comes Naturally. I find this is the closest to my natural lip color, which is why I really love it. I really just want something that looks like my lips but better. So what you want to do, all pretty straightforward, line your lips. But I find when you're using a lip liner that is pretty much your lip color, you don't have to be too precise. I then always like to just kind of color in my lips at the same time. I find it really helps to make your lipstick or lip gloss or balm stay put for longer. Everyday tinted balm. This one's by Augustinus Bader. It was actually a collaboration with Sophia Coppola, and it's called the Tinted Balm. It's in shade 1. It looks really red. Does not go on like that. I just literally dab a little bit. Augustinus Bader is kind of a cult skincare brand, so this one is loaded with skincare benefits as well. So you find your lips won't get dry throughout the day, they'll just stay super fresh and dewy. Sometimes you'll find with a hydrating product, when you're not wearing it, your lips feel more dry than they were to start with, whereas this one really deposits all that lovely hydration throughout the day. Final step of my everyday skincare routine is a makeup setting spray. This one's by NARS, it's called Light Reflecting. I just find this kind of not only makes your makeup stay put, but it gives a really nice overall glow. Quick spritz. You don't need much, and then that will just settle really beautifully. Okay, so that's it, super simple. I hope you liked my everyday makeup routine.